Hi, I'm Davies Pro Carpentry, and today we're going to be reviewing this Black & Decker jigsaw. So we'll start with what it comes with. So in the package is just the jigsaw itself and 3 included blades. However, they're not that nice, so I wouldn't recommend using them. Now, some features of the saw itself: it has variable speed, which is adjusted by just squeezing this trigger. So like halfway is a low speed, and then all the way up, that's your highest speed. Now it does have a dust collection port on the back here that you would hook a shop vac up to. However, I don't have a shop vac, so we won't be using that today. Now the best thing, in my opinion, about this saw is the easiness of blade changing. So it takes standard T-shank and U-shank blades. However, I'll be using a T-shank blade. And what you do to put the blades in is you pull up on this lever, and then the blade goes right in, and it's locked in tight. And then to remove it, you just pull up and out. So the model number for this, here we go. This is just the front of the instruction manual. And I got this at my local Walmart for $20. Now, all in all, that's a great deal for what it gives you. However, one thing though, this base plate, once you get this, you're going to want to tighten this. I've had it already just slip up on me. If you're using it and you're pressing down, it'll have a tendency to just wobble. So that's everything for the saw. And now we're going to get into some cutting. Alright, so I've plugged the saw in, and now we're just going to demonstrate on a couple boards here. So I have 1x8. We're just going to do a speed test, and then we're going to do a couple cuts on this 2x4. Well, we're going to start with the 1x8. I'm using just this standard blade here, not included with it, T-shank, and here we go. So that was pretty quick for this jigsaw on a 1x8, and the finish is alright, but that can mostly be attributed to the blade itself. It's a quick cutting blade. Although it is very loud, as you can tell, and I had the trigger pulled all the way down for the max speed. And now we're going to move on to the 2x4. We're just going to do a couple cuts. This one should take longer. So that was it for the cross cuts, and we'll be right back for some curve demonstrations. Alright, so we have some pine 1x8, and I'm just going to try and do a demonstration of the curve cutting abilities on this jigsaw. So that was quite smooth and ended up with a nice curve. As you can see, it is capable of cutting nice radiuses. But sometimes if you get too aggressive and you're turning, it'll start to bind up and jump around a bit, which isn't the safest thing. So try and avoid doing that. But overall, the curve test went pretty well. Alright, so all in all, this is a pretty good jigsaw for the money. That being said, it does have its drawbacks, but for $20, it's a great option. So based off the price, I'm going to have to give this a 9 out of 10 for usability, quality, and with that price factored in, it's really a great deal. So I would recommend buying this when you get a chance. Also, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time.